This short guide will show how to buy shares of Strategy Inc. Strategy Inc. is a technology-focused company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MSTR, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MSTR to find the listing. Make sure you select the stock that corresponds to Strategy Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ listing so you are on the correct share page. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio or holdings. For the eToro link and more details, check the video description.